Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, January 18th, and it's also Thesaurus Day. I'm Noah.
And I'm Kanon, and here are your morning announcements. ISHCMC celebrated the 25th anniversary this morning. Here are highlights of what went on today.
It was fall, but it was...
Parents, teachers, and students, special welcome to our first ISHCMC.
Start to lift you and make your flame flicker by gently swaying it side.
Classes today. Some changes as you'll see in the
To another strain over the next 25 years. Can we have Mr. P?
1 second. What will ISHCMC look like?
Congratulations to those athletes who competed in the SISAC badminton competition yesterday at ISSP. ISHCMC finished third.
The student representative team is organizing a project called Tech Shoebox Appeal to help those in need this holiday. Check out this video for more information.
Track and field training will take place this week. Check with the coaches for which events are training on which day.
This year, ISHCMC is hosting the Cross Asia Youth Film Festival at the secondary campus. More details can be found at aayff.com, or you can ask Mr. Frank and Mr. Pug if you have any questions.
Makerspace is open to grades 1, 2, and 3 students today during morning recess.
Joke of the day. What do you put on your feet when you have a cold?
What?
Achoo!
Random fact of the day. It is impossible to hum while holding your nose.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, you are made to make a difference, so embrace every opportunity to do so. Unknown.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a fantastic Friday.